Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy Caesar salad. Start with the dressing, as it's key to a healthy Caesar. Combine Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice, and Dijon mustard for a creamy, tangy base. Add a touch of olive oil for richness and healthy fats. Whisk in minced garlic and a dash of Worcestershire sauce. This lighter dressing still delivers classic Caesar flavor without excess calories. Next, let's prepare the croutons and greens. For healthier croutons, cube whole wheat bread and toast it with a little olive oil and your favorite herbs until golden and crunchy. This adds fiber and a satisfying texture. Wash and thoroughly dry crisp romaine lettuce, tearing it into bite-sized pieces. This classic green provides a refreshing crunch to your salad. Now, let's add some satisfying protein and flavorful toppings. Grilled chicken breast is an excellent lean protein choice, transforming your salad into a complete meal. Shave a small amount of fresh Parmesan cheese over the top for that essential salty, umami kick. For extra nutrients and a pop of color, consider adding halved cherry tomatoes. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious and healthy Caesar salad. In a large bowl, gently toss the romaine, croutons, chicken, and any other toppings with your homemade dressing until everything is lightly coated. Serve immediately to ensure the lettuce remains crisp and the flavors are at their peak. Enjoy this fresh, satisfying meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.